Speaking about brilliant idiots, Dr. Anthony Fauci is fucked. Finally.
Is super fucked and it had to happen.
I mean, मतलब जब COVID का news आया था and all of us got to know about this one guy, Dr. Anthony Fauci. पता नहीं मुझे शुरू से ही ऐसा लगा था कि this guy has something going on that we don't know.
I don't know how everything gets related with America and still, they just fail to react as adequately according to the situation. Just like Fauci, with his emails getting online, emails made public, and if you don't know Fauci, please introduce Fauci to our very audience.
Interesting. So, Dr. Anthony Fauci is the head of the National Institute of Health in America. He's also the head. He's basically the whole industry of virology, and every virologist is indirectly connected to Fauci, and not just connected, he or she is indirectly dependent on Dr. Anthony Fauci.
Yeah.
Basically, he's the kingslayer. He's the top of the food chain.
Top on the pyramid.
If he doesn't like you, you won't get funded. And all of this is research we're talking about.
Exactly.
So Anthony Fauci is the king of the kings when it comes to virology. This is his life, and he controls basically the whole virology industry. Obviously, America is at the forefront. We don't know what China and Russia are doing, but when it comes to open peer-reviewed studies,
it's always
obviously America, because it's the most advanced and the most democratic we know.
Yeah.
So they are at the forefront. Dr. Anthony Fauci is the head. He provides you the funding. He will help you if you're in his court. If you pull off against him, like the head of CDC. So CDC's founder actually opposed. He doubted the bat theory.
Yeah.
And Fauci just went after him. So this is the state of the matter.
And for those who...
And Anthony Fauci is the boss of virology. And he's been a good guy for a long time. When SARS... He actually came up during AIDS, the AIDS pandemic.
Yeah.
And he basically has been on the top of the virology food chain ever since. And a good guy. He's been the good guy. He's like the Ellen DeGeneres of virology.
For those wondering what virology is, plain fact, virology is how medicines are made, and the study of
viruses mostly
viruses and how viruses can be beaten. As we all know, COVID is a virus. Now there is a difference between bacteria and viruses. Please 10th ki science पढ़ लेना. And we'll just not discuss that because
these topics are out of the scope of the duration of this podcast.
Exactly. So please 10th ki science पढ़ लेना. Viruses, bacteria, that's 10th, and we, as assuming if you are on Spotify or on YouTube, you went to school. वरना नहीं पता होता आपको. तो बस it's just that, and keeping that simple. Now coming back to the theory that Mr. Fauci is surrounded by is that the SARS-CoV-19 was a lab leak in Wuhan, and since we are talking about it being a lab leak, there are certain theories that can talk about how it can be also, was something planned or something which was known before but never made public because it was present in lab. And if it got there is this one theory which says that the leak was quite way time before
a bioweapon of sorts.
A bioweapon of sorts was in making.
No, so I am willing to give the benefit of the doubt to these scientists that they were actually trying to do better things. It can totally be a mistake. They are doing gain of function research, which basically is, so this is how it goes, right? Dr. Fauci, or should we call him doctor at this point? Mr. Fauci. Anthony Fauci was doing this gain of function research. Gain of function is basically you take a virus like the coronavirus, which has a lot of different variants. So we have SARS-CoV-2.
Yeah.
We are no medical professionals, by the way. We are just conspiracy theorists.
We said, are you conspiracy theorists?
So basically, a lot of, like, take a coronavirus.
Yeah.
Gain of function research, what it does is it powers up that virus to say 8 times, 10 times even more powerful.
Wow.
It powers it up, and then they see if they can beat it or not. Because if you can beat like the 10 powered up coronavirus, you can beat the normal COVID
Easy.
coronavirus, right?
Easy peasy.
Yeah. So that basically what gain of function research is. Sounds absolutely horrendous.
sounds like my Pokemon upgrading and then thinking if the Pokemon could actually battle.
Sounds absolutely very dangerous, because of which Barack Obama stopped it. Fauci was doing it in America.
Yeah.
Barack Obama was like, what the fuck is up? Why are you doing this? He was like, no, not on my watch. Shut the fuck up. Go back to your bill. Don't do this. He stopped it.
Yeah.
Then comes in Donald Trump. 2016, he gets elected. In 2017, Dr. Anthony Fauci takes advantage of the chaos जो Donald Trump अपने साथ लाता है.
Yeah.
The White House was basically the
Haywire.
world saw what it was.
Haywire and
So he took advantage. He actually told one section of the White House, but he didn't actually explicitly tell everyone at the White House. A lot of people in the Trump administration didn't know that Fauci had restarted this.
yeah.
And he restarted it in, any prizes for guesses? Wuhan. He started this in Wuhan.
Yeah.
And he started this research again, gain of function research in Wuhan.
Yeah.
And then this pandemic broke out. And ever since then, Fauci. Now, the scientists who were working at that lab, so there were American scientists collaborating with the Chinese as well.
Yeah.
So one of them being, as we spoke, Mr. Peter Daszak,
yeah.
who is the
Health
Eco
Alliance
Health Alliance head.
Head.
Peter Daszak, he's a British scientist. He was involved in that research, very much collaborated, and has a long history of collaborating with the Wuhan Institute of Virology.
Yeah.
WHO takes up उन्होंने जिम्मा उठाया.
This is the fun part.
WHO ने जिम्मा उठाया नहीं, wait, last year, this is last year, कि हम चेक करेंगे कि where did this virus come from? We should get to the bottom of this. Who did they assign this job? Mr. Peter Daszak.
जो already काम कर रहे थे उस चीज पे and they just said कि अपने काम को खुद ही. It's just like that you and your friend got your each other's exam paper and teacher asked कि we'll shuffle the paper across the class and
Yeah.
you'll give marks to your friend.
It's like I fucked someone up, and then police comes to you
And then
and gives the investigation in your hands and tells you कि थोड़ा देख के आना क्या हो रहा है. And तू मेरे से पूछता है कि did you do something wrong? I said no. Okay.
okay.
And that's how it works.
And that's how it ended.
Case closed. So this case closed. Brett Weinstein, we have taken his name before on this
Yeah.
podcast as well. Brett Weinstein is an evolutionary biologist. He actually came on Rogan as well last year, and he
Yeah.
was shouting basically that he wasn't accusing anyone. He was just saying that looking at this virus and how it's mutating, this does not look like it has come to us naturally,
Yeah.
because it is highly adaptable and highly adapted to the human body, and that cannot happen just from bat to human. It needs to go
A lot of phases,
to
a lot of stages.
various organisms
Organisms,
before it can
yeah.
be very, like how deadly it is to us right now.
Are bats mammals? No,
Yeah.
they're mammals, right? Yeah. Alright.
So Brett Weinstein did this last year, and everybody called him a fucking racist. Everyone went after him. Why? Because Donald Trump was basically calling it the Chinese virus. Donald Trump was accusing China, and whatever Donald Trump does, I mean, I'm not saying that Donald Trump was actually looking to get to the bottom of this. Maybe Donald Trump is racist. But because he was doing all those things, Brett Weinstein, anyone who doubted the bad theory
Yeah.
was pulled into that rigid
Racist.
ideology that,
Of
okay,
racism.
this is racist. And because of that, and nothing happened. And
Yeah.
now Trump is out of office, and suddenly that argument is not racist. Or people are more willing to talk about it because they are not afraid
Yeah.
that they'll be pulled into that category.
With the Biden administration.
Yeah. And Biden, let's just reserve our opinions about
Biden has his
Joe
own
Biden.
problems, his own aging problems. I suppose.
His senility is off the charts.
Yeah.
But basically, so what happens is, obviously Fauci के email leak हुए, but before that, Josh Rogan, who came on Joe Rogan as well, but he was the first mainstream journalist. He works for the Washington Post. He broke out this report and wrote a fucking book on the fact that how China is hiding the origins, how China is working to hide the origins, and he actually expertly explained that how Fauci is basically the bosses of bosses, king of kings. If anyone, because the scientific community worked very hard with the media during this time.
Yeah, they were collaborating, you know,
Yeah,
doing
because
everything
because these guys are dependent. They need money, they need funding to continue their research, and who's at the head of the funding? Dr. Anthony Fauci.
Mr. Fauci.
So if you come against him, he's gonna fuck you up.
Real bad.
So you can't do your research and now you're unemployed for the greater good.